What's up, everyone? I'm Daniel.
And I'm Mia. Welcome to Speaker of English, your daily English practice partner.
This is your spot for chill, real-life conversations in English, so you can listen, relax, and learn naturally. No pressure.
We're really happy you're here.
Thanks for joining us. Let's begin. Okay, so, Mia,
Yes, Daniel?
how are you today?
I am good. A little sleepy, but good.
Oh, I see. A little sleepy.
Yes. And you, how are you?
I am well. I feel calm today.
That's nice.
Yes. Before we start, a very kind request.
If you like listening to us,
Please subscribe to our channel, Speaker of English.
then you can find us again. Very easy.
You can also give this a like, if you want.
Thank you so much. It helps us.
Okay, so today we talk about something we all do.
Every single day.
Yes, the topic is daily habits.
Daily habits, the things we do every day.
Talking about your day is very useful.
It is simple, it is personal.
People ask, how was your day? Or, what do you do every day?
So we will practice. We will talk about our daily habits.
You can listen and think about your day.
Okay, so Daniel, let's begin. Let's start with the morning.
The morning. Okay.
What is your first habit in the morning?
My first habit, I wake up.
Yes, a very important habit.
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock every day?
Almost every day on weekdays.
I see. What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Okay.
Then I go to the kitchen. I drink water.
Water. Good habit.
Yes, a big glass of water. Then I make coffee.
Coffee. Me too.
I need coffee in the morning.
I understand. So wake up, water, coffee.
Yes, that is my morning start.
Okay. My morning is similar. I wake up at 6:30.
6:30. Early.
A little early. I check my phone.
You check your phone?
Yes, for 5 minutes. I read the news.
Oh, I see.
Then I get out of bed. I wash my face.
Wash your face. That feels good.
Yes, very good. Then I make tea.
Tea, not coffee.
Not coffee, green tea.
Nice.
So our mornings are a little different.
Yes, but similar. We wake up, we drink something.
Yes, a daily habit.
Okay, let's talk about next. After morning drinks.
Okay, Daniel, after coffee, what do you do?
After coffee, I make breakfast.
Every day?
Most days, I eat breakfast at home.
What do you eat?
Simple things. Toast, sometimes eggs, sometimes yogurt.
I eat breakfast too, but very fast.
Fast?
Yes, I eat a banana or an apple. Very fast.
So you are busy in the morning.
A little busy, yes.
I am slow in the morning.
That's nice. A slow morning.
Yes. After breakfast, I get ready.
Get ready for work?
Yes. I take a shower. I get dressed.
Me too. I take a shower in the morning.
Every day?
Every day. It helps me wake up.
I understand. For me, too.
Then I leave my house.
What time do you leave?
I leave at 8 o'clock.
I leave at 8:15.
Very close.
Yes.
So morning habits, we have many.
Yes. Wake up, drink, eat, shower, dress, leave.
Good. Now let's practice for our listeners.
Yes. Practice.
How to talk about morning habits.
You can say, I wake up at time.
I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then after that, I verb.
After that, I drink coffee.
After that, I wash my face.
Good. Then I verb.
Then I get dressed.
Then I leave my house.
You can use first, next, then.
Yes. First, I wake up. Next, I drink water. Then I make breakfast.
Very clear.
Now, let's talk about the day.
The day, yes. Work or study habits.
I work from home.
Oh, so your habit is at home.
Yes. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer.
What time do you start?
I start at 9 o'clock.
Do you have a break?
Yes. I have a break at 11 o'clock.
What do you do on your break?
I make more coffee. I walk around my house.
Nice. I work in an office.
So you go to work.
Yes, I take the bus. I arrive at 9 o'clock.
Do you have a morning meeting?
Sometimes, not every day.
I see. And lunch? What is your lunch habit?
I eat lunch at 12:30 with my colleagues.
That's nice.
Yes, we talk. It is a good break. And you?
I eat lunch at my desk.
Oh,
I sometimes watch a short video while I eat.
I understand.
It is a quiet time.
Okay, so work habits are different.
Yes, very different.
Now let's think about words for the day.
Words. Okay.
I start work at.
I start work at 9.
I have a break at.
I have a break at 11.
I eat lunch at.
I eat lunch at 12:30.
Good. Simple sentences.
Now, afternoon habits.
Afternoon. After lunch.
Yes, I work again in the afternoon.
Me too. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish at 5:30.
Close again.
Yes.
After work. What is your habit?
After work, I close my computer.
Okay.
That is an important habit to stop working.
Yes, very important.
Then I go to the living room. I sit for 5 minutes. I do nothing.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, it is a good habit, I think.
My habit is different. After work, I go home.
On the bus?
Yes, on the bus. I listen to music. It helps me relax.
Good habit.
Yes. So after work, we relax. Now, evening habits.
Evening, my favorite time.
Why?
It is quiet, slow.
I see. What do you do in the evening?
First, I make dinner.
You cook every day?
Most days, simple food.
What do you cook?
Chicken and vegetables or pasta, sometimes soup.
That sounds good.
And you? Do you cook?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Oh,
Sometimes I buy food and eat at home.
I understand.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Ah, a necessary habit.
Yes, necessary. Then I watch television.
What do you watch?
The news or a drama series.
Nice. I read a book after dinner.
Every day?
Almost every day, for 30 minutes.
A good habit.
I think so. Then, before bed, I have a small habit.
What is it?
I write in my notebook.
Write what?
3 things, 3 good things from my day.
Oh, that is a beautiful habit.
Thank you. It makes me feel peaceful.
My before bed habit is different.
What do you do?
I drink tea. Chamomile tea.
That is good for sleep.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
10:30 usually.
I go to bed at 11.
Close again.
Yes.
Now, evening habits.
Evening, my favorite time.
Why?
It is quiet, slow.
I see. What do you do in the evening?
First, I make dinner.
You cook every day?
Most days, simple food.
What do you cook?
Chicken and vegetables or pasta, sometimes soup.
That sounds good.
And you? Do you cook?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Oh,
Sometimes I buy food and eat at home.
I understand.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Ah, a necessary habit.
Yes, necessary. Then I watch television.
What do you watch?
The news or a drama series.
Nice. I read a book after dinner.
Every day?
Almost every day, for 30 minutes.
A good habit.
I think so. Then, before bed, I have a small habit.
What is it?
I write in my notebook.
Write what?
3 things, 3 good things from my day.
Oh, that is a beautiful habit.
Thank you. It makes me feel peaceful.
My before bed habit is different.
What do you do?
I drink tea, chamomile tea.
That is good for sleep.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
10:30, usually.
I go to bed at 11.
Close again.
Yes.
So we have many daily habits.
From morning to night.
Now, let's make a simple list for our listeners.
A simple list. Good.
Morning. Wake up, wash, eat, leave.
Day. Start work, break, lunch, finish work.
Evening. Relax, eat dinner, watch or read, go to bed.
Good. Clear.
Now, important practice. How to say your habits. You can say, every day I wake up at 7. I usually drink coffee in the morning. You can say, I always wash my face. I sometimes cook dinner.
These words help. Every day, usually, always, sometimes.
Yes, not too difficult.
Now, what if your habit is different?
Different?
Yes, maybe you exercise or you call a friend.
Yes, other habits.
For example, I often go for a walk in the evening.
Or, I sometimes call my sister after work.
Or I usually exercise on Saturday, not every day.
Yes, habits can be not daily.
But we can still talk about them.
Yes, good point.
Now, let's do a full example.
Okay, a full day.
You start, Mia.
Okay, every day I wake up at 6:30, I wash my face and drink tea. I leave my house at 8. I start work at 9. I eat lunch at 12:30 with friends. I finish work at 5. I go home and listen to music. I eat dinner at 7. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10:30.
Perfect. A clear day.
Now you, Daniel.
I usually wake up at 7. I drink water and make coffee. I eat breakfast. I start work at 9. I have a break at 11. I eat lunch at my desk at 1 o'clock. I finish work at 5:30. I relax. I cook dinner at 7. I read a book. I go to bed at 11.
Very good. Different, but similar. Now, a very important message. You do not need to say everything.
Oh, yes, very important.
If someone asks, what do you do every day?
You can say, I work, I eat, I sleep. Very short.
Yes. Or you can say, I wake up, go to work, come home, relax.
Short is okay.
Perfectly okay. This removes pressure.
Yes, no pressure.
Just 1 or 2 sentences is fine. Now, let's think about questions.
Questions people ask.
What time do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning?
Do you eat breakfast?
What time do you finish work?
What do you do in the evening?
All simple questions.
And you can ask these questions too.
To be friendly.
Yes.
Okay, I think we talked about many things.
Yes. Morning, day, and evening habits. And the most important thing, it is easy.
Yes, talking about your day is easy.
Because you know your day very well.
Exactly.
Now it is time for you to practice.
Yes, your turn, listeners.
We have a small, kind homework. In the comments, you can write
Write 1 or 2 sentences.
about your daily habit.
For example, I always drink coffee in the morning.
Or, I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Or, every day I walk to work.
Very simple.
We will read every comment.
We love to read them.
It is our habit.
Yes, a good habit.
Okay, we are almost finished.
Let's say the important things again.
Daily habits are things you do every day.
You can talk about morning, day, and evening.
Use simple words like I wake up, I eat, I work, I sleep.
Use usually, always, sometimes.
Short answers are okay.
You know your day best.
So talking is easy.
Yes.
Thank you for listening today.
Thank you for your time.
It was nice talking about our days.
Very nice.
Please remember to subscribe.
And give a like. Thank you.
We are Speaker of English.
I am Mia.
And I'm Daniel.
Have a peaceful day.
Have a good tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.